Hello friends, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this teddy head. Very easy and simple to make. This video is especially for beginners, so please keep watching. To begin this, first magic ring बनाओ like this. Magic ring बनाओ and chain 3 low, double crochet बनाओ, 12 double crochet बनाओ, 12 double crochet, same ring, double crochet बनाओ चीज़ ring do इनका tight grow चीज़ circle itu निचना circle दिखो like this chain 3 loa यदि slip stitch close कर दियो make another 3 chain for second row every stitch di 2 double crochet loe se every stitch di 2 double crochet in same stitch again 2 double crochet in same stitch every stitch di 2 double crochet increase kori jabo first row de 12 double crochet loise so second row de every stitch di 2 double crochet in same stitch increase kori jashile at the end of second row total 24 double crochet hobo like this chain stitch di 1 double crochet chain stitch di insert row hook right close kori dibo third row 2 double crochet logo friends moi third row half double crochet use karo teddy head to moi man dangor na lage so you can also use double crochet size hisab de I'm making half double crochet 1 half double crochet in first stitch and second stitch 2 half double crochet second stitch the increase crochet like this third d1 half double crochet fourth stitch the increase crochet 2 half double crochet in same stitch chain 2 stitch the close kori dibo like this chain 1 second stitch the double crochet banaye like this or didi ear banaye se 2 double crochet next the triple crochet triple crochet now same stitch di already ear ring na banaise. Again make 2 double crochet. Total 6 ho jabo. Same stitch di. Next stitch di close kori dibi slip stitch. Make another 5 slip stitch. Like this. 5 slip stitch banaise. Next ear jao. Next ear banao. Chain 1. Second stitch di double crochet banao. Again make 1 double crochet in same stitch. In same stitch triple crochet to triple crochet. Same stitch to triple crochet. और भी बनाए से double crochet to double crochet in same stitch. Slip stitch बनाए ना. Next ear dark slip stitch बनाए जाओ. Like this. Every stitch di slip stitch बनाए जाए से. Next ear punch last di slip stitch. Steady face, I'm using this spot here. Magic ring बनाओ. Magic ring बनाए से और भी chain 3 लो ऐसे 1 2 3 और भी 12 double crochet in same ring. 12 double crochet बनाओ. Circle बनाओ. Circle बनाओ. Chain 3 stitch di close kori dibo. Chain 1. Every stitch di second row. Every stitch di 2 single crochet बनाओ. Every stitch di 2 single crochet increase row. Single crochet. Single crochet in same stitch. Every stitch to increase go. Last stitch D. Chain stitch D. 1 single crochet in chain 1 day. Close corridor like this. Steady face. Join corridor. And before that, my mouth and nose बनाओ. Steady. Mouth and nose. Like your nose screw. My hook use करेसे will be needle probably shipal ba shilai easy aro shipal ba shilai will be my hook use करेसे like this. Almost nose close banaise. Needle grab easy right. July, leave it. I'm missing hook. Hook bra, join kori ase like this. Needle be use koribo pare. Teddy head is complete now. It's very easy. Every beginner can make this. So friends, if you like this video, then please share kori dibi or subscribe kori dibi. Ajini meeting mantaki. Next video di look. Till then, bye bye. Take care.